Memory foam mattresses have become so popular because of their comfort factor. A memory foam mattress is designed to provide a pleasant sleep while taking away all the stress of the day. It is important to establish a regular cleaning to keep your sleep surface clean and fresh. Memory foam is very porous, allowing moisture to seep into the foam, and this can make cleaning it difficult when stains run deep into the foam. Luckily, you can use some methods and techniques to clean a memory foam mattress. Firstly, remove bedding cover including protector. Use a handheld vacuum and run it on the top and edge of a mattress. It removes any dirt, dust, hair and dead skin cells of your mattress. You can also use baking soda for cleaning mattress because it is a natural cleaner. Sprinkle the baking soda over the stained area and leave it for 2 hours, then vacuum your mattress thoroughly for removing baking soda. By using baking soda, you will easily get stains and odors-free mattress. White vinegar is one of the best stain removers and a cleaning product for mattresses. To remove stains on your mattress, you can use vinegar. Spray the vinegar on stained area with the help of spray bottle. Then use a fresh clean towel to absorb the vinegar. After it, put the baking soda on it for several hours. Clean it completely with the help of vacuum. Dishwashing liquids are designed to remove stubborn stains and spots from mattress. If you have any tough stain on your mattress surface, then take any dish soap and also take hydrogen peroxide. Then mix equal amount of both products with water. Take a brush and gently scrub the surface with this solution and damp with soft cloth. You will get stain-free mattress easily by this method. You can also use mattress protector for protecting the stains and spills on your mattress. Simply put protector on the mattress, and it will protect your mattress from stains and dirt. You can also use mattress vacuum cleaner to control allergens, dead skin, dust mites, and dirt from your mattress and other fabrics. Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is the most powerful anti-allergen vacuum cleaner with amazing suction power and high-frequency tapping. It is simple and easy to use. Begin by vacuuming the entire surface of your mattress slowly. Vacuuming slowly allows the machine to remove more dirt and dust, resulting in a cleaner mattress. By using these tips and methods, you will clean your mattress very easily.